Hey guys, it's Michelle McKinney. I am the founder and dream architect of Dreams Unleashed, and if you're watching this video, I am crazy excited because it must mean one of two things. Either you already have your vision board playbook, or you've already ordered it and you were just a little bit curious to see what happens next. So let's get into it. I thought it'd be cool to do this unboxing video so that you can get started in a very simple, easy fashion. So let me show you what comes inside of your kit. The very first thing that you'll notice is that everything will be housed inside of this dust cover. The purpose of the dust cover is so that if you choose to be mobile with your vision board playbook, meaning putting it inside your backpack, your work bag, wherever, it keeps it protected so as you're moving about, it doesn't feel and get as worn. So once you move beyond the dust cover and you take everything out, these are the items that you'll find inside of that dust cover. First thing, you'll have your vision board playbook. This is the board that will be the foundation of all the work that you're going to put together. The very next thing, just as key, are the strategy pages and the directions. The very top sheet are your directions, so you'll want to look through that. And then of course your glue stick. So that means all you'll need are magazines, scissors, and a banging playlist and a really cool beverage just to be able to keep things moving for you throughout your own vision book party. The very next thing that I want you to do is I want you to put your vision board playbook to the side for just a minute, because this is where everything that you're going to need will get you going. Because I know the urge typically is for us to jump right on into the magazines and get started, but that's what makes us so different from every other vision board party or anything that you went to. There's not magic in the pictures. The real magic happens in the strategy and what I'm going to walk you through in a very easy sort of way. As I said, the very top sheet, that's going to be your directions. Make sure you read through that. Again, it shares with you what's inside, and then just a little welcome from me. On the flip side, page 2, these are some great tips of how to use your vision playbook and weaving it into your everyday life. The very next sheet that you'll find is page 3. Super key, do not miss this. This is page 3 that talks about clarifying the vision. This is where, as a coach, I walk you through thinking about all the different roles that you're constantly juggling in your life and how you can be very intentional about carving out no more than 7 roles that you want to focus on this particular year. So once you get those up to 7 roles carved out and you work through that with me, what I'm going to have you do is pop on over to the next sheet where you're going to pop each of those roles into one of these blanks right in here, and then I want you to spend some time writing out the vision for every single one of those roles. I want you to get specific. The next piece that we're going to look at, this is so simple guys, is that you're going to take each one of these roles and every role is going to get its own planet sheet. So that one that says role number 1, what I'm going to have you do is you're going to pop that role name right in there, and that same vision that you just wrote out in that last write the vision sheet, you're going to write it right in there. And then you don't have to do this part now. You can save this for another time. That's where you're going to put in a lot of the strategy, who's going to hold you accountable, what things typically get in your way, that piece. And again, you can do this after you do all your vision board clippings and cutting out of your magazine. So again, each of your roles is going to get its own sheet. And again, you'll have no more than up to 7 of these that you're going to focus on to be very intentional in your year. That's when, friends, we move into the fun of the vision board playbook. So the very first thing that you'll notice is that we have this cover here. This is our mantra cover. These are sayings and things that I think are important. So when you get some time, be sure to read through them. Now when you open it up, again, it's accordion style, and so this is what allows it to be flexible and allows you to focus on one panel at a time. So each one of these represents a panel. Each panel represents a role. So as you open it up, this is what we refer to as side A, that side right here. And then on the back side, if we open it up this way, we refer to it as side B. Got it? So when you are putting your vision board playbook together, and I covered this all in the directions, when you're actually getting ready to put your strategy sheets, affix them to your vision board playbook, you're going to first pull this all out, and to your right, you will see your cover and all the other pages to the left. To the left, this is where your planet sheets are going to be glued down to each one of these panels. And so you'll work to the left to just continue gluing down your sheets for whatever number of rolls that you have, and those will go there. So again, this is side B. Once you finish side B, putting those on to your vision board playbook, side A, when you open it up and we're back on this side, so just like a regular book, you open it up, this is the side that is going to have all of your magazine clippings, your words, all those kinds of things that you were able to cut out and glue here. So that's the main thing that I want you to remember. So again, side A is when you open up your book and you expand this way. Side B is you flip it over. It's basically the back side of your vision board playbook. Super simple. Look, this is the deal. This will be a lot of fun. I love putting together my vision board playbook. You can see that I have my completed vision board playbook right here, and I'll talk more in other videos about how to weave this into your everyday life. So thanks so much for joining me. I hope this unboxing video was helpful, and be sure to become part of our community. Thanks so much for purchasing, and I can't wait to see your vision book unfold. Tag us and let us know how you're doing. Thanks, friends. Take care.